Hey guys, this is Vat Gaming here, and today is the 2020 June Vacuum of the Month, and the 2020 June Vacuum of the Month is the Hoover Dimension Supreme Vacuum. I did get this off of Facebook Marketplace a while back. There's nothing really much wrong with it. It works okay. I haven't really used it a lot lately. The problem with this is that the height adjustment right here, the same part of the height adjustment setting, it broke off. The headlight is burned out. The hose and the extension ones are missing, so is the crevice tool. And I had to change the bag to this because the bag was like full. So yeah, hopefully I might try to get some attachments for this machine. So yeah, there's nothing really much wrong with it. It has been working good. It is a bit loud. I just want to tell you, it's loud. So, yeah, without any further ado, I'll go ahead and review on this. It's got brushes, edge cleaning, You got uses only 7.3 amps. Got cleaning effectiveness 20.0 per amp. Got the Hoover logo right here. So you got like 5 height adjustments. Go from bare floor to low to high pile carpet. I just usually put right here on low. And show you guys the brush roll. Oh. Right here's the brush roll. I might have to get a new belt for this, cause it kind of needs a new belt for sure. Like, I'm not sure yet. So, right here's the headlight. I do need to get a new headlight. And right here, you've got the Hoover logo right here. It's got 100% of dust mites and their eggs. Allergen filtration, 99.98% of ragweed pollens, 99.98% of common grass pollens. Right here's the bag check indicator. Like, when this lifts up, when it lifts up like that, it's telling you that it's time to change your bag, or if there's any clogs. And the bag to release, you just push this black button, and it release. I know this part, bag cover's dirty. I do need to clean it out. So here is the bag. It's not really that full. Hasn't been used a lot because I haven't used this thing a while back. And to clip it back on, and there we go. Also, right here underneath, it's got a stair cleaning handle. You just lift this up, and the tools you get, if I could get the dusting brush, and oops, that could stay in there. And you also got the upholstery tool as well. It's missing the crevice tool, extension wands, and the hose. And to use the hose on this, when you're getting ready to use the attachments, you just lift this part of the hose and you connect it to here, so you can use the attachments. And right here is your foot release. You just release and then go back up. Up on top you have your on and off switch. And the one thing I noticed, that this machine is like almost lightweight. Like, it is almost lightweight. It's a little bit heavy, but it is almost lightweight. But right here on the back is the cord. So you just undo the cord. Just like so. and you can tell how long the cord is. So yeah, so without any further ado, I'll go ahead and give you guys a demonstration, and you're gonna hear how loud this vacuum is, cause like I said, it's loud. So like I said before, headphone users or you got sensitive hearing, make sure your volume is turned down, cause this thing is loud. So here we go. So yeah, you guys could hear how the machine sounds. It definitely needs a new belt. So yeah, it is loud. So like I said before, and I really like how this machine sounds, almost just like the other Hoover Elites. See, I really like the sound of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this 2020 June Vacuum of the Month, and that's the Hoover Dimension Supreme. So thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys all later. Peace.